Ever wondered why the hook at the end of your tape measure feels loose? It's not a manufacturing defect. It's a brilliant engineering feature. We've all looked at that wobbly end piece and assumed it was broken, but this small movement is essential for professional-grade accuracy. Let's debunk the common myth that your tape measure is faulty. That play in the hook is intentional and vital for precision. The design allows the hook to shift by exactly its own thickness, which is the key to getting your measurements right every single time. Whether you are hooking onto the edge of a board or pushing against a flat surface, that sliding motion accounts for the metal thickness. When you pull the tape, the hook moves outward, ensuring the start of your measurement begins exactly at 0. When you press the hook against a surface to measure, it slides inward by the thickness of the metal, compensating for the hook itself. This automatic adjustment ensures that your measurement remains accurate whether the hook is being pulled or pushed against an object. It seamlessly toggles between outside measurements, where you hook the edge, and inside measurements, where you push the tape against a surface. Without this sliding mechanism, every measurement you take would be off by the exact width of that metal hook. It is this type of meticulous calibration that makes a simple tape measure a reliable professional tool for carpenters and contractors alike. So next time you feel that wiggle, remember it's a sign of a well-engineered tool meant to keep your work precise. Now that you know how the slide compensates for thickness, you can measure with confidence. Always trust the slide.